Alright, here we go. Got the Triumph Speed Triple and ready to go. Ugh. What? Yes, sir.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good.
What's going on?
I just bought the bike and leaving.
Okay.
This is Randy. He just bought that and picking it up.
Okay.
All good. Appreciate it.
All right. You know what's been going on, so...
What's been going on?
Well, the plate's been broken into several times. Keep catching them, but...
Yeah, am I good?
a lot of 24s, 395.
Is this a meeting? Is this my celebration for buying my bike? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thank you. A surprise! Woo! Yay! All right, guys. Thanks. Yeah, you guys.
Man, it's a nice speed triple, man.
Yeah, thank you. Right, can I go? All right, can I? All right, can we go? Okay. Do you think you could turn the lights off? I can't see.
I'll get you out.
Okay, thanks.